Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest marvel in aerial photography and videography. In this video, we'll dive deep into the cutting-edge features, upgrades, and pricing of this new drone. Whether you're a professional videographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver exceptional performance and value. So, let's explore everything you need to know about this exciting new release. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine the standards of compact drones with its innovative advancements and premium features. Priced between $700 and $800, this drone is positioned as a top choice for those looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. One of the most exciting upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its new camera system. It features a larger 1-inch sensor, a notable enhancement from the 3-inch sensor found in previous models. This upgrade is a game changer, promising unparalleled image quality and improved performance in low-light conditions. The Mini 5 Pro also supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, a feature that enhances its appeal to professional videographers. In addition to its camera and video capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro offers significant improvements in storage and battery life. The drone comes with expanded internal storage, allowing users to capture more footage without the need for constant transfers. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains the compact and lightweight design that the Mini series is known for, making it highly portable and easy to handle. Despite its small size, the drone is built with robust materials, ensuring durability and reliability during flights. Its sleek design not only looks stylish but also enhances aerodynamics, contributing to better flight performance. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is slated for release in September 2024. This release aligns with DJI's strategy of introducing new models approximately once a year, ensuring that users have access to the latest technology and innovations. With a price range of $700 to $800, the DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a significant investment. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable upgrade in the world of compact drones. With its larger 1-inch sensor, 4K video recording at 60 FPS, expanded storage, and extended flight time, it is poised to deliver an unparalleled aerial experience. Whether you're a professional seeking top-tier performance or a hobbyist looking to enhance your drone capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro is a worthy consideration. Thank you for watching our detailed guide on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest drone news and reviews. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and we'll see you in the next video.